So today there are so many new lights that I have here. I just want to go through a few lights so that when Vijay Armstrong sir is using those lights, you will know what exactly he's using. So in Knowled, we've got chip on board COB lights, we've got panel lights, we've got tube lights, and we've got these ambient lights for using in your production environments. This is also something new that we are introducing today. These are the C5, C7, and C10, the ambient lights. So C5 is a smaller panel. You can even charge this through a wireless pad. C7 are these bulbs. These are on E27 mount, the standard screw mount, the wide one. The most powerful light that we currently have is the MG1200Bi. This has won the TIPA award as a professional light for 2023. So if you look at this light, the most important part is we are not looking at legacy systems. We are looking forward. This light has its own mount. And the beautiful thing with this mount is it has electrical contacts in the mount. We required it because it is generating so much light, so much heat, and you are going to use it in a production environment. Some accessories like this projector attachment you have here, if I don't put a fan in it, it'll heat up. There is a chance it'll crack the glass. It'll not be safe to use in a production environment. So this touch point system, this touch spots, this allows the current to pass from the mount to the accessory so that the fan can be installed on the accessory. And it comes with its own set of light modifier, from projection attachment to Fresnels to softboxes to octa, recta, lanterns. One small video just to give you an idea why and what this mount is all about.
The Godox Knowled MG1200Bi is a true workhorse in the film industry. It's ready to take on feature films, episodic TV, broadcast, and productions of all shapes and sizes. And it packs a punch with an industry-first full 1200 watt output throughout all of its color temperature range. From 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, you'll maintain that even level of brightness throughout all the color temperatures. And it stacks up against a 1.8K HMI par with brightness. Not only is this light insanely powerful, but it also introduces a new advanced modifier ecosystem with Godox's new proprietary mount, the G-mount. The all-new G-mount embraces a brand new lighting system with optics including upgraded pro reflectors in different degrees, a 14-inch Fresnel lens, projection attachment, and new softboxes such as a lantern, parabolic, rectangular, and octa softbox in various sizes. The G-mount has a larger surface to provide better load bearing and heat dissipation. The mount is more robust than a standard Bowens mount, allowing for a more rugged and intelligent mounting system. With features like touch spot design, this allows the light to act as a power supply for some accessories, such as the projection attachment GPK series, as well as an optional recognition function to avoid accidents on set. The light itself is able to communicate with different modifiers by these special touch points, keeping the system safer and more efficient. Within the G-mount ecosystem, there are several new reflectors. A 60-degree for wider spill of light to fill a larger environment, a 45-degree for a medium spill of light, a 30-degree for a brighter, more direct spill of light, and the 15-degree, which creates a narrow spill of light allowing for the ultimate brightness, a staggering 149,000 lux at 3 meters when set at 5600 Kelvin. Keep in mind, the smaller the angle, the brighter the reflected light will be. The GF14 Fresnel is a rugged 14-inch Fresnel that allows for spot and flood control. It increases the maximum output of the light to 78,800 lux at about 10 feet from the subject while maintaining the light quality. What I like about the GF14 Fresnel is I'm able to throw that light a long distance. So if I want to put the light outside of a window and beam it in, I'm going to get that really cool volumetric lighting. This is the ultimate professional grade light shaping tool. The GPK projection attachment allows you to achieve an even light beam that doesn't suffer from color or brightness shift. It retains sharpness and clarity from the center to the edges of the beam. This spotlight mount has built-in shutters for complete lighting adjustment control. It's also available in 36, 26, and 19-degree lens options for precise beam intensity and magnification. An optional gobo pack includes unique shapes and patterns to provide elements of realism to any scene. A special feature of this projection attachment is that it has a built-in fan system which keeps the unit cool even when projecting at 100% intensity for an extended period of time. By using the touch point connection of the G-mount, the MG1200Bi is able to optically recognize the modifier, and from there it is able to power the cooling system inside the projection attachment. This keeps the unit cool, making it safe to handle throughout any point of the shoot. With so many G-mount modifiers, lighting control options are endless. The Godox Knowled MG1200Bi is ready to take on anything.
You can go from 28 to 6500 Kelvin. The reason to go for this G mount is one more. Tomorrow we want more power to come in. So that power we cannot get through Bowen's mount. It's too small. So we wanted to look forward and ensure that we are future-proofing ourselves. So today, if you are investing in a G mount system, you know that if tomorrow we want more power, it can come in the same system. Otherwise, somewhere down the line, the mount has to change if you want to increase more power. And it is IP54 water resistant. So in an environment, there is light rain, there is little dust, you can still maintain use of the light. You don't need to switch off. And since it's made for a production environment, you've got CRMX, but like you're using DMX. So you can see most of these lights are connected through DMX through the console, but DMX uses cables. CRMX is wireless. So you can use these lights wirelessly through a CRMX controller. CRMX is a standard in Hollywood, and even a DMX 512 light you can convert, you can control wirelessly through a solution called TMO-Link. So you've got a transmitter and receiver, so you can control these lights wirelessly also through a DMX control. So you don't need to pull the wire all around in the set. You can also control them through your mobile phone through Bluetooth, so through a Godox app. Control box for sure is there. You can also use wireless remotes. So you've got these remotes for RGB and bicolor lights. So you can control these lights through remote. You can also control them through Ethernet. So you've got controllers through Ethernet also. Just the basic specifications of MG1200. More interesting will be when we show you how to use it. The second step is M600. So this is 600 daylight and bicolor. MG means it's on the same M series, but it's got the G mount. It's got very powerful output. So we are using that also here with the Fresnel. Easy to use in run and gun situations.
Knowled, take you further. Introducing Godox M600Bi. What you need is a powerful tool for inspiration and creativity. The wide color temperature range from 2800 to 6500 Kelvin turns the scenarios you pictured in mind into reality. The portable light body and the separate control box give you the highest efficiency on set. Monster output takes your production to the next level. With the Fresnel FLS10 as a team, you will always find the way to more creative expressions. Scoring over 96 on CRI and over 97 on TLCI ensures you accurate colors all the time. Innovation turns impossibility into possibility. With 0.1% brightness adjustment and 4 optional dimming curves, preciseness and efficiency are both at your hand. Thanks to the Godox Light app, all the complex teamwork can be well achieved at hand. Supporting AC power supply and V-mount battery power supply keeps you creating smoothly at any location. It's a robust workhorse beyond your imagination. The powerful cooling system, or the silent mode at one press, makes the recording a breeze. 7 built-in cinematic FX effects bring simulated scenarios to your set. Equipped with the Bowens mount, it provides you with a versatile system of modifiers, opening up more possibilities. Godox M600Bi. Ready for challenge.